Introduction. Digital readers is otherwise known as e-reader, e-book reader, or e-book device. While tablet is portable electronic device that is touchscreen use, and a 3D printing is a process uses digital model to create physical object by adding layer of material.
Digital readers. As standard law, e-readers has wireless connectivity for downloading content and conducting web-based tasks. Mobile device that can display text kindly and Sony e-readers rose 2011. Display text such as smartphone and digital assistant PDS can also function as e-readers. William M. Ferter has used Amazon Kindly in the classroom by downloading free sample chapters from popular example, e-book. So ang e-book o ang ginatawag digital readers amo ni ang ginabasahan novels, articles, and more. Essential siya for people na hilig magbasa pero ga struggle wala struggle magdala real book. So physical and ang e-book is ga-focus lang sa kinabasa mo, wala na siya other app or achetable siya. Duga basa ka man libro pero in digital may na not like the physical book kay page by page mo sa mabasa. And struggle siya basahon sa digital readers or e-book, scroll ka lang. Also easy to come lang sa kay mag-an kag pwede mo sa madala sa anywhere.
Tablets. Tablets are portable computer that uses touchscreen technology as primarily device. They are most smaller and weight less than laptop. Some tablets use fold-out keyboard but only have a touchscreen input. The teacher can find it unique teaching approach or methodologies by using tablets in instruction delivery. The teachers can assess the student using various applications that can be downloaded in the tablet. So guys, here's the picture of tablet. Ang tablet guys, siya ang ginayuse ni siya if ginayuse siya conveniently because easy to bring lang siya, weightless, then pwede mo siya madala anywhere nga hindi hassle, pwede mo siya masulod sa bag mo kag hindi siya bugat dalon. So ang tablet nga ni ginagamit ni sa for everything man, pero ano lang gid siya, ang convenient lang gid siya dalon. Early tablets, touchscreens, were designed to work with a light pens. Most tablets support with human input. Tablets are very important to students as they improve collaboration, developing IT skills, publishing, sharing, and searching information, creativity, flexibility, term of space and time, motivation, their studies. And lastly, we have 3D printing. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional object from digital file. Instead of subtracting material like traditional methods, 3D printing adds material by layer and layer to build an object. A 3D printing uses computer aid to create object through layering methods. 3D printing involves layering material like plastic, composites, or biomaterials to create objects that range in shape, size, rigidity, and color. Printers can be seen building everything from homes to car, even viable personal protective equipment or PPE, which are used to healthcare workers over the world fighting from COVID-19. So, ang 3D printing ni siya, guys, amo ni siya ang makabuild siya sang mga things through computer man siya. Bali, scan lang siya ka computer, then If ma-send na, ano na siya ka 3D printing, pwede na siya ma-print, tanan, pwede mo siya ma-print. If ano nga ipakita mo nga picture, kag paano mo siya ipaprint, amo na. Technology in the classroom has gained traction, and as it shifts and develops, its use become varied. Engineering, chemistry, math, and biology, and architecture, just name a few. 3D printing allows educators to design rich learning experiences for deep theory construct that bring learning from computer screen into the student's hand. Digital 3D comes to life with 3D printers which can encourage teamwork, sharing, and more.